Hello, my fellow rail fan friends. Little Sean 2010 here. Today we are coming to you live from my production studios. At this time, my fellow rail fan friends, I would like to address the following. Y'all may have been noticing we had not been active these past 2 months on this channel because the creator of this channel, my father, has been dealing with some health issues these past 2 months. And not only that, he has been in the hospital twice. He was just in there recently and he got out March 1st, but his road to recovery is just beginning. And then it has been taking a toll on us these past two times. So we have been taking a little break to help with his recovery. I would like to ask every one of you on this YouTube channel, my friends and subscribers, to please keep my family in your prayers as we go through this time to help my father with his recovery. And I also thank each and every one of you on this channel for supporting us and watching our videos. And also, there is one other thing I need to address at this moment. I do have brand new videos building up at this moment in time, including our new documentary series called Valdosta Railroading, which is a category of rail fanning around my hometown, Valdosta, Georgia. And I also have new individual videos in the making as well. And y'all are going to be in for a treat. At this moment in time, we are still going to be taking a break. But after this coming Rail Watch from Folkestone, Georgia, on Sunday, April 7th, I will return with some brand new videos. So bear with us, viewers. I promise you it will not be for long. And I also ask once again to please keep my father and the rest of my family in your prayers as we go on through this time on the course of his recovery. And once again, thank you very much, my rail fan friends, for supporting me and supporting my YouTube channel. On Sunday, April 7th, Little Sean 2010 will be back up and running and better than ever. And one other thing, we still have a little bit of 2018 to go from my father's camera. So on Sunday, April 7th, we will be returning with some brand new videos that you are gonna love. Until then, my rail fan friends, y'all have a good day.